Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Navya Bansal ji, and this is me your Navya. Hope you know me. So I have come back with another latest and unique design. And this will be the fifth video of my Ganeshi creation, as I already created 4 designs, unique designs. If you want, so you can check them also. I hope that those videos will be helpful for you. And all these beautiful Ganeshi creations for you, I will make a playlist if you want, so you can go there and check that directly. Guys, if you have any query, suggestion or appreciation and want to create any specific design from me, so please comment down, let me know so that I can provide you video as you want. And yes, if you are interested to know how I created this beautiful mandala or Ganeshi creation, so please keep watching this video till the end, then you can able to make your designs easily. And guys, if you are new on my channel and interested to visit on my channel and wanna watch my videos every day, so please subscribe this channel and hit that bell icon so that whenever I will upload videos, you will get updated. And if you are interested to watch my previous creation or mehndi design videos, so I am providing you links in I button or description box. If you want, so you can check them videos. I hope that those videos will be helpful for you and you will get something unique from there. And if you are wondering for the bridal mehndi design, so I will provide you link directly if you want, so you can check that also. And please comment down and let me know how this design is looking through your comments so that I can provide you better content and better designs. Final overview of this design or creation. I hope that you like this video and this video is helpful for you, so do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And also share this video with your mehndi lover friends so that they can also learn mehndi and learn new and unique designs from this channel. So as I have already shared all the details, if you are interested to watch my previous creation or want to see my previous designs, so please visit on my channel and you can learn easy and unique designs from there. And if you want to get connected with daily updates, so you can follow me on Instagram, and the ID is Navya Bansalji. You can search on Instagram. Please follow me. And thank you so much for being with me till the end. That is it for today. Keep supporting me, keep loving me, and I will be providing you better content as usually. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.